For the first time since 2021, Super Rugby Pacific returns to McLean Park in Napier as the Hurricanes play host to the Fijian Drua in round 2 of the season's competition, their 14th visit to this historic provincial venue. As it's brought out by Roigard, who puts his foot down. He's got Karifi with him. Now the sprint is on. Duplessis, Karifi, Hurricanes strike early.
Oh, what a start in his boat. Straight at the ruck. Roigard, he didn't even look out to the open side. May have pre-planned that.
Lamani again for Armstrong Ravula. Looking good with the ball in hand. Now they get it out to Ratuvu. And the Fijian Drua strike immediately. Lamani, they keep it in close though. And they gain themselves a penalty here. Now the little jab through, and the bounce here is good for them. Turn it back on the inside, but no advantage. A 45-metre kick certainly got the distance, and it's accurate. As the Hurricanes are deep inside the 22. Mafaleo goes charging. Good run by the big number 3. Roigard on his own, turns it back inside, and Braden Yose scores for the Hurricanes.
Oh, it's a brilliant Hurricanes try, finished by Braden Yose. Take your hat off.
No, 7! Too many players there. Get your tackles out.
Now Lamani.
Offside.
Well, they've got him offside once again. As the Drua pressing hard. Now they go wide. They've got plenty of numbers. And Armstrong Ravula scores the try for the Drua. Looking to convert his own try here. And he does just that. So the Fijian Drua. They're right there. There's Lamani. Sells a dummy and scores. Frank Lamani. Lovely kick again by Armstrong Ravula. Slings it away for Godfrey. Having a bit of a dab, and off he goes, Harry Godfrey. What a run this is. And he almost got there. Lays it back. Snapped up by Whiniunga Nofo. And the Hurricanes strike just before halftime.
Yeah, didn't they need that in his boat? And Godfrey, not much doing on his outside, so through the dummy. And
so halftime, it's been action-packed here at McLean Park in Napier. But at the break, the Fijian Drua lead the Hurricanes by 22-19. So Fijian Drua back in control. Armstrong Ravula. And now right up the centre. Great with the ball in hand. Armstrong Ravula gets it back. Back on the inside. Silla. Oh boy, that's a try. Isoa Silla. It started on the 22.
oh, Nisbo, that's as good as it gets. Daytime rugby at its best.
Drops it off to Karifi. And they're playing under a penalty advantage. Roigard goes himself. And Cam Roigard scores try number 4 for the Hurricanes. Here's Godfrey looking to convert. And he curls it in nicely.
Last feet.
Roigard, he's got players away. Here's Sullivan. Bailen Sullivan. And the Hurricanes are back in front. Canaveri. Yes, they do put a man up. But it's been nicely done. And close to the line. Try! Thani Kibata.
Oh, what a shot around the back of the line out.
Slings it off to, and here is a pass from Hohepa. Pops it up. Godfrey. Harry Godfrey for the Hurricanes.
Oh, he's been in everything, Harry Godfrey.
Oh, that's not bad. That is a great kick. What a game. What a game at McLean Park in Napier. Hurricanes victorious by 38 to 34.